What's up guys, welcome back to Traction Garage. Today we are going to be putting on some new headlights. So I got some knockoff headlights which are 1/4 of the price for what would you get like some used OEM ones nowadays for the S2000s, and I thought I'd give it a shot since this is a budget build. See how they work out in the future. If they're terrible, we'll just have to end up buying some good new ones or some used ones, but let's check them out. So here they are. They look really good for the price. These were about like $200 on Amazon for both, and this is just so satisfying taking this off, and they look great. They don't look bad at all. They are plastic, so that's kind of a negative, but I don't think they look that bad. We're gonna have to take off all the other parts of the headlights, like the computer that goes on the bottom, and as well as all the bulbs and connections, and we'll put them on. But for now, we're gonna take off this headlight. We're gonna have to take off the bumper, maybe a little bit of the fender. As you can tell, this headlight is terrible. It is beyond saving unless I open up the lens, and I don't really want to deal with that right now. So we're gonna take off this one and we'll continue with the other side. All right, so one side is on. Looks amazing. Really stoked about it. Now let's finish up the other side here. All right, we got the second one on. Still got to do a little lining up there with the fender, but man, I don't think these are too bad for the price and not being OEM. Let me know what you guys think. They look great. Everything works. They're just plastic, but man, I think it's a huge money saver when it comes to the headlights on these cars, and I'm pretty happy.